tire. Oh.
Oh wow. Starting to look right in front of the front tire now. Again. Look ahead, David. Squeeze. Look ahead. Oh, I got stuck. Put it there, put it, Woo. We're gonna lose it. Woo. Ouch. Oh, okay. Okay, that's good.
That's my favorite part.
Yeah, it's fun.
Pine Forest, we call that the Pine Forest.
Yeah.
And then that technical stuff we did earlier, where we went, there was those, there was a tree on top of a log, and then you go through this narrow narrow, two big trees and then puddle, and that gets really tight in there. That's
Yeah.
my second favorite.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, what do you call it? I think one of the big puddles, I went through it, but somehow, I don't know, I ate it. To go back, went down with a nice thud. But yeah, it's good.
Some of those puddles are deep.
Yeah. Grabbed it. I like the front tire though. That's been helping me with just tracking that front tire. That's cool.
The bike will go wherever the front tire goes.
That's pretty cool.
Good?
How you feeling?
You want a break?
Yeah. Some nice muddy goggles.
Yeah, because when you dump it, it takes a little bit out of you.
Yeah, to do like a deadlift. Yeah.
You know, you slow down a little bit for a little bit till you get back in the groove.
In that groove.
Trying to remember to stay forward. I keep finding myself sitting.
Yeah.
I mean, when you're going slow though, when you're going real slow, it's hard to get forward. Yeah. It's when we're flying.
Yeah.
Because you're when you're going slow. So when you're going slow, you sort of have to ride level.
Huh.
But when you're going fast and you lean forward and you put your, instead of your feet are like this, right? When you're going slow, they're sort of level, flat-footed. But when you get forward and you go like this, the bike is pushing you, right? The bike is pushing you. So then it's a lot less effort than
on your arms,
than the bike when you're level.
Yeah.
Than the bike pulling you.
I did notice, like when I get in the throttle, I did notice, like the bike pulling me.
Pulling you.
Yeah.
Right.
Absolutely.
And that takes it out of you.
Yeah.
Because every time you give a throttle and the bike pulls you, then your muscle is working.
Yeah.
Whereas if you're forward, your muscle isn't working because the bike is pushing you. And your arms are relaxing.
More relaxed, yeah.
Right.
Cool. Let's try it. Go ahead, John. Go ahead, buddy. Dang, black goggles are fogging up.